Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and share this video. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I have a quick unboxing. I'm going to unbox it and also show you guys how to set it up. And we'll do a little demo at the end of the video. So please watch to the end. So this is a pressure washer. You can it's a car wash, but I noticed that you can use it for a lot of things. Like you can use it for car, you can use it to wash your bathroom, your toilet. You can use it for plants, to wet your flowers, your garden. You can also use it to maybe wash the windows. It's like you can use it for a lot of things. So guys, let's quickly unbox this and see what we have in here. Let's see what we have in here. By the way, I bought this from Jumia, and this is how it came. This is the packaging. We have this here, and this I'm just going to remove this is the sticker from Jumia. Oh, okay, so let's open this is how it comes in. I like the packaging though. It's very portable and all that. Yeah, so let's just open this up. Okay, let's turn it this way and open it up. Oh, are you ready? Oh wow, this is what we have in here. Okay, so let's start with this one. This is the soap dish. And put your soap here and your water, then for you to use with the machine. So it comes with this soap dish. Hope you can see that. Okay, so it comes with two batteries. Comes with two 48 VF. Let's see the second one. Yeah, two batteries. And when I received this yesterday and I've charged it. When you get yours as well, make sure you charge it to the full before you start using it. So I've charged this one. So it comes with two batteries, comes with a charger, comes with a filter. This is the gun. This is what does the magic, yeah? This is a gun. We're gonna set it up in a bit. Let's just see what we have inside. This is how it comes. It's quite heavy, not that heavy, but it's very easy to use. It's not that heavy. And it comes with this what am I gonna call this? Well, you insert it here. We'll set that up in a bit. Then there's a user manual. This manual, I've checked it and I've opened it and it didn't really. I'm like, what kind of manual is this one? And by the way, I've seen reviews of this thing, and even the packaging is different. The manual is like a booklet, like very handy, not like this. And I'm wondering, maybe anyway, different company, different everything, yeah. But this manual didn't really show how to insert or set this thing up very well. It just shows the filter, how to put the filter, and how to do this one. There are other things there, like this hose now. How does this go in? Not in the manual here, but we'll figure that out. We'll figure it out. But it would have been a good idea if it was there, so it would be easy. So yeah, synthetic, scientific car washing artifact. Okay, yeah, manual of electric car washing machine. Well, I've seen people use it for various things. I've seen people use it for washing their bathroom, their toilets, watering their garden, and so on and so forth. So it comes with these two. This is the what gives you the pressure from the water. If you want the water to go out, like pointing out straight, this one. If you want it to have this kind of, is it triangle shape? This one does that. But we'll set it up in a bit and see how it works. Then this is also one thing that comes with it. We're gonna set this thing up. And I think this one is another kind of something like this. I don't know what to call it, something like this. Because if you see here, it has um this kind of hole here. This is it here. Then this one, you can see that this one, this is it here. So I'm like figuring out if you want that all the thing to work at the same time, this is what you're going to use. But we'll fix that in a bit and we'll see how it works. So guys, let's start. assembling this together. So this is the hose. It's not, I was expecting it to be really long, because some that I've seen the hose like this is really really long, but let's see what we can do with this one. So we'll start by what should we do first? Where did this one come out from? Okay, yeah. Okay, let's set this one up first. I think this is easy to set up. Just put this one in here, and hope you can see that. Make sure it's tight. Yeah, this is step one. Then step two, don't forget to charge your battery. Then after using it as well, and charge your battery. Step two is to, I will step two, let's put, okay, let me show you how to put this one. This one goes in here. For this one, you put this thing, you press it down like this. You can see when you press it down, you can insert one of these things. When you leave it like leaves it, it locks. Like, okay, let's try it. Put it down and insert this inside. You can see that. Then when you see, it locks and it tights in very well. So if you want to take it out, do the same thing. Put it down and bring it out. Then fix in the next one. See, that's quite easy to fix. Okay, let's continue. I think for this second one to do the same thing for this, but I'm going to try it and see. Do the same thing for this. So I hope I got it right. Okay. Next, we're going to, let's take this out. We're going to test all these things and see how it works. I hope the pressure is really high. Okay, let's start by fixing this one. We'll fix this one here. Just, I think they are the same size, so it doesn't matter where you fix it. They're both the same size. You have to apply pressure when fixing this to make sure it's really tight, but be careful so you don't break it. So I think this is okay. Next we are going to fix is this one. Yeah, let's fix this one. So this one goes in here, goes in here. I hope I'm doing that right. Yeah, this one goes in here. So let's fix the hose first before putting this one in. Oh, sorry, I have to put this one in here first. You have to apply pressure. This is very, ooh, man. You have to apply a lot of pressure while fixing this in, because you want to make sure it's tight. Okay, I think it's going in pretty nicely. Can you see that? I want it to get up to this point. I don't know if we can do that, or is it okay like this? I think it's okay like this, but let's just try one more time. Okay, I think it is okay like this. Then this goes in here and yeah, it's tight. Then we'll put this here and tight it as well. Okay, it's locked now. So we are done with this step, I believe. Okay, where does this one go? Like, I hope I didn't mix this up. Oh no, this doesn't go here. Where does this one go? Let's see. No. We'll figure this one out. We have to figure this one out. Let's see the manual. Is okay. This manual is just useless. Like, see, it doesn't really show how to fix this thing. I think this is an extra for this, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's fix the battery. We'll figure that out later. So the battery goes in this way. battery goes in. Just follow these two lines here. And make sure it's locked. You can feel that it's locked. If you want to bring it out, just press this place down and push it up. See that? Let's fix it back in. So I think we are done here. For this one, um, how do we fix this? Okay, yeah, I think for this one it's the same thing. You pull this one down. When after putting your soap and everything, then you can use it to wash like this. Let's turn it on and see. Okay, let me get water bucket and let's try this out and see how and see and check the. Okay, so guys, we are ready. This is the water with soaps, with a little soap. So let's go and test this out. So guys, we have water here. Let's test this out. Just put this inside. I hope I fix this thing well, because if you do not fix it well, it will not work. Okay, let's try with this one. So you have to keep doing it until water gets up to the hose. Whoa, that particular place is now shiny. Okay, let's test the second one. We have fixed the second one. Let's see. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Then we'll try the one with we'll try with soap. Let's try with soap. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's try it with soap. Want it to foam very well, I think you have to shake this off very well. And I think you can also fix. Let's try if we can fix one of these and here and see what we can what comes out. I don't know about this. Let's try. I'm just trying. Okay. Oops, that didn't work. That did not work. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye guys.